Hey everybody, and let's be real, who doesn't want some extra cash? Like seriously, imagine the possibilities. So buckle up, Buttercup, because today we are diving headfirst into the magical world of websites that pay you daily. We're talking about legitimate work-from-home opportunities that can line your pockets with that sweet, sweet cash flow. My team and I have been working harder than a squirrel trying to hide a nut on this one, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. But before we unlock the treasure chest of online earnings, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Because let's be honest, missing out on free money advice from me would be like forgetting to wear pants to a Zoom meeting. Awkward. Alright, let's get this bread. First up, we've got Respondent, a platform that's all about valuing your unique perspective. It's like being on a reality show, but instead of drama, you get dollar bills, y'all. Respondent connects you with researchers who want to pick your brain about all sorts of things from your favorite snacks to your thoughts on the latest tech gadgets. They've got surveys, focus groups, and even one-on-one interviews, all paying a pretty penny for your time. We're talking anywhere from $50 to a whopping $250 per study, depending on how juicy the topic is. And the best part? They pay directly through PayPal, which means faster access to your earnings. Cha-ching! I give Respondent a solid 8 out of 10. It's a great way to share your thoughts, make some serious cash, and maybe even learn a thing or two along the way. Alright, my fellow word nerds, this one's for you. Literally is a platform that lets you combine your love of language with your desire to make some extra dough. It's like being a virtual reading buddy, but with way better perks. Basically, you get to listen to adorable kids read aloud and transcribe their words. That's it. You're helping them improve their literacy skills while also padding your own wallet. How cool is that? The pay varies depending on how fast you can type, but you can expect to make around $20 to $50 per audio hour. Not bad for listening to some cute kids sound out their ABCs, right? I'm giving literally a 7.5 out of 10. It's a super flexible and rewarding way to earn money online, especially if you're passionate about education. Plus, who doesn't love the sound of little ones discovering the joy of reading? My heart! Okay, you know those times when you're just scrolling, and you're like, my thumbs are getting a workout, but my bank account isn't? Well, Idle Empire feels your pain. This website turns idle moments into money. Watch videos, play games, fill out surveys. With Idle Empire, you get rewarded. Earn points for real-life prizes. It's a fun way to make extra cash. Give Idle Empire a shot. Turn those dusty boxes of childhood collectibles into cash. Remember those Pokemon cards or Beanie Babies? They might be worth something now. That's where Collectibles Marketplace comes in. It's like eBay for nostalgic items. Vintage toys, sports memorabilia, stamps, coins. If it's collectible, someone wants it. You might find a rare Charizard. Even common items can fetch good money. Turn hobbies into side hustles. Declutter and uncover treasures. It's a digital treasure hunt. This one gets an 8 out of 10. Alright, busy bees, this one's for you. If you thrive on checking things off your to-do list, ClickWorker is your new best friend. Quick, simple tasks you can do online, anytime, anywhere. Data entry, surveys, even training AI. It's the ultimate side hustle for your free time. Specialized gigs can pay $10 to $20 an hour. Give ClickWorker a try and make some extra cash. Okay, word nerds, this one's for you. If you ever find yourself correcting people's grammar or crafting the perfect Instagram caption, ExpressWriters might be your calling. It's like a matchmaking service, but instead of finding love, you're finding clients who need your writing superpowers. We're talking blog posts, website content, even those catchy taglines brands live for. And the best part? ExpressWriters pays daily. Imagine waking up to notifications like cha-ching. Your words just made you money. That's the dream, right? The pay varies depending on your experience and the type of writing, but some writers are raking in between $40,000 to $60,000 a year. I'm talking serious side hustle goals, people. So, if you're a grammar guru who loves deadlines as much as I do, which is not at all, but you get the point, Express Writers gets an 8.5 out of 10. Time to monetize those metaphors. Hold up. You're telling me I can get paid to talk about things I love? Sign me up. ProductTube is like the YouTube of product reviews, but instead of subscribers, you get cash. Try products, film a video, and boom, money in the bank. ProductTube is a win-win in my book. Alright, folks, if you're the friend who's always down to help assemble furniture, or the one who actually enjoys organizing, then listen up. TaskRabbit is about to be your new best friend. It's like a dating app, but for tasks. Think of it as a real-life superhero app, but instead of capes, you get cash. Need someone to mow the lawn, walk the dog, or even wait in line for the latest sneaker drop? TaskRabbit has got you covered. And the pay? It's not too shabby either. We're talking $30 an hour to start, and some taskers are even making up to $200 an hour for specialized tasks. Imagine making someone's day and making bank while doing it. It's like a double dose of happiness. TaskRabbit is a game changer for anyone who loves to stay busy, help others, and earn some serious cash. This one gets a perfect 10 out of 10 in my book. Go forth and conquer those tasks. Okay, fam, buckle up, because number 9 is for all my creative geniuses out there. ClearVoice is the place to be if you're a writer, designer, or editor looking to ditch the 9-to-5 grind. Think of it like a matchmaking service for your skills. You get paid per project, often within 24 hours. No more waiting around for those monthly paychecks, honey. It's a game changer for freelance creatives. Calling all artists, doodlers, and design enthusiasts. If you've ever dreamed of seeing your art on t-shirts, phone cases, or even shower curtains, Redbubble is about to become your new best friend. This platform is like Etsy's cooler, trendier cousin. You upload your designs, and Redbubble handles all the boring stuff: printing, shipping, customer service, you name it. You can literally go from "I made this in my pajamas" to "OMG, my design is on a tote bag," faster than you can say royalty check. Now, here's the deal. Earnings depend on sales. So the more creative and eye-catching your designs, the better your chances of raking in the dough. It's a fantastic way to monetize your passion, build a brand, and share your unique artistic vision with the world. I'm giving Redbubble a solid 7 out of 10. It might take a little time to build up a following and start seeing those sales roll in, but trust me, the potential is there. Alright, my fellow brainiacs, this one's for you. Remember all those late-night study sessions in college? Well, guess what? Now you can get paid to relive them, minus the exam stress, of course. Chegg Study is a platform where you can put your knowledge to good use by helping students conquer their homework demons. Whether you're a math whiz, a science guru, or a history buff, there's a student out there who needs your expertise. As a Chegg tutor, you can earn around $20 per hour, and the best part? Payments are processed quickly. No more waiting around for weeks to see your hard-earned cash. Plus, you get to set your own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. It's a win-win situation. You get to make a difference in students' lives, and you get paid for it. Chegg Study gets a solid 9 out of 10 from me. It's a fantastic opportunity for anyone who loves to learn and teach. Okay, peeps, get ready for Dosh App, the cashback queen. Link your cards, and bam, Cashback City. Booking a hotel? Dosh swoops in with 20% cashback. Dosh is basically paying you to relax. Save without trying. Dosh is your new BFF. Hold on to your hats, because we're diving into the wild world of Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk for short. It's like a digital flea market, but instead of quirky trinkets, you're trading your skills for cash. We're talking micro-tasks, people. Think transcribing audio, labeling images, or even training AI. It's like having a million tiny jobs, and you get to pick and choose the ones that tickle your fancy. Now, don't expect to be raking in the big bucks with each click. The pay varies, but on average, you're looking at around $10 to $15 an hour. Hey, it's more than you'd make scrolling through social media, right? Plus, it's super flexible. Do a few tasks while waiting for your coffee to brew, or squeeze in a few more during commercial breaks. Mturk is all about that hustle, baby. I'm giving it a solid 8 out of 10. Calling all opinionated internet surfers. Ever wanted to tell companies what you think about their websites? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because user testing is here to make your dreams come true. This platform is all about giving feedback on websites and apps, like a constructive critique, but instead of getting a bad grade, you get paid. We're talking $10 for a 20-minute test, and some even pay up to $60 an hour. Imagine, you're browsing a website, judging its design, and getting paid for your expert opinion. It's like being a judge on a reality show, but instead of critiquing singing or dancing, you're the ultimate authority on user experience. Plus, it's super flexible. Test websites in your PJs, at the park, or even while waiting in line for that double-shot espresso. User testing is all about working on your own terms. I'm slapping a 7.5 out of 10 on this one. Hey party people, this time we're talking about Lionbridge. Like the animal, but instead of roaring, you're earning. Lionbridge is all about remote work, perfect for working in PJs with snacks. Tasks include data annotation, search engine evaluation and translation. Earn $12 to $20 an hour. I'm giving Lionbridge a solid 8 out of 10. It's a roaring good time. Hold up. Did someone say easy money? Because QMe is here to answer your prayers. This website is like the holy grail of passive income, letting you earn just by living your best online life. We're talking taking surveys, which is like having a digital conversation but with dollar signs at the end. Shopping online, QMe's got your back with cashback offers. And get this, you can even earn just by browsing the web. It's like getting paid to procrastinate, but shh, don't tell my boss. Now, I'm not gonna lie, you won't become a millionaire overnight with QMe, but it's a super low-effort way to rake in an extra $50 to $100 a month, which is basically a free tank of gas or a shopping spree at Target. No judgment here. QMe gets a cool 6.5 out of 10 from me. It's not the highest earner, but hey, for doing practically nothing, I'm not complaining. Calling all brainiacs, bookworms, and academic avengers. Course Hero connects students with tutors to guide their academic journeys. Be a superhero with your brainpower and get paid for it. Top tutors can earn up to $1,500 a month. I'm giving Course Hero an 8 out of 10. Okay guys, website testing is apparently a thing, because this is like the second platform we're talking about that does just that. Userlytics, similar to user testing, pays you to be the guinea pig. Valuable user tester. For websites and apps. Click buttons, get confused by menus, the usual. The pay for these little digital explorations? Between $5 and $20, which isn't bad for watching a loading screen for an hour. Just kidding. It's actually for giving your honest opinions. They want to know what real people think. Honestly, this is such an easy way to rake in some extra cash, especially if you're already glued to your phone 24/7. You're basically getting paid to procrastinate. Don't tell my professors I said that. I give Userlytics a solid 7.5 out of 10. It's not going to make you rich quick, but hey, every dollar counts, right? Alright, my fellow hustlers, get ready to enter the exciting world of Field Agent. No, you won't be dodging lasers or wearing disguises, but you will be completing little missions out in the real world. Think of it like a scavenger hunt, but with, actual rewards. We're talking checking prices at stores, making sure products are displayed correctly. Being a mystery shopper, but way cooler. The best part? Missions pay anywhere from $10 to $25, and you can often knock them out in just a few minutes. That's enough for a fancy coffee or a whole week's worth of ramen noodles. I'm not judging. I'm giving Field Agent an 8 out of 10. It's a fun way to make some extra cash on the go, and you might even discover some cool new stores in your neighborhood. Just try not to get lost in the cereal aisle like I do. It's a problem. That's a wrap, folks. We just went through 19 whole websites that could potentially be your ticket to financial freedom, or at least help you buy that avocado toast you've been eyeing. If you found this list even remotely helpful, don't forget to smash that like button harder than I smash avocados when they're perfectly ripe. And you better share this video with your friends, family, your dog walker. Everyone deserves a chance to make some extra cash. If you're ready to level up your side hustle game, all the links to these awesome websites are waiting for you in the description box below. Go forth and make that money, honey. See you in the next video. Stay awesome.